Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to simplify this one. So I will move about number 1 go in here, number 1 go in here. So if we look carefully about this one that is about capital A, this one that is about capital B. So we have the formula in here. So this one that is about A, B, A, B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we need to expand this one. So we have the formula in here. So this one that is about s squared plus s to the power of 4 to s squared plus 1. So 2s squared minus s squared that is about s squared. So if we look carefully this one, this is repeat again from this one. So now we have like this. And now we need to expand. So 2s to the power of 4 minus s to the power of 4. So that is about s to the power of 4. And now we can do the similar for the last one. So we have like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.